Welcome back to BestoLMS. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to add a new timetable entry for your classes. From the side menu, go to the Academic section and click on Timetable. Now, click on the Add Timetable Entry button. First, choose the schedule type. You can select whether it's for a single day, multiple days in this week, or a recurring pattern. Next, select the day or days as per the schedule type you've chosen. Choose the section and the subject for this class. Now, enter the start time and end time. Assign the teacher for this class and enter the room number or name where it will be conducted. Finally, click on the Add Entries button and your timetable entry is created. With BestoLMS, scheduling classes is quick, flexible, and hassle-free. Now you can organize timetables with ease and keep everything on track. Stay tuned for more tutorials.